Hello, welcome to my channel, Anne's Amazing Adventures. I'm in a collab with a bunch of beautiful women on YouTube here, and the collab is called Country Chick Look. Country Chick Look Collab. So we're all supposed to give our rendition of our country look. So I have a hat on. I put long hair on, of course. Being part native, or being native, being native, I also put fringe on. But I've got a couple of outfits I'll show you through this video. So I am just going to switch to the other camera, and we will start with the fashion show. This is my first look. I just put a long midi length pleated skirt on with a black leather belt and my black cowboy boots, of course, and this top that it just it slips on, and you can take it off and do it, wear it with anything you want. It's just a Velcro insert, so isn't that a nice idea? So another outfit that I would wear with this skirt would be my pink, of course, pink, you know. My pink suede jacket with the fringe going around it, and I would put my burgundy hat on. You see that? So there, I have all kinds of hats, cowboy hats. I've got all kinds of riding boots. So I grew up in and was raised by cowboys. Basically, the family, the foster family that I grew up in. So just hold on a second. We'll close the video out. Okay, so I thought I'd throw this look in for you as well. It's my boots, my black leather fringe jacket with my black cowboy hat. Or well, it's not really a cowboy hat, but I wear it as one sometimes. So that is my little fashion show. I'll just close this video off. Hold on. So I hope you enjoyed that little fashion show. I get played out. I don't know why. I think I have to rush. But I do. I feel I have to rush when I put one of the ones on that I do with put all my videos on. But I was raised on a farm, but I was raised by cowboys, basically. On a horse, the very first day I was out there at that foster home, and never ever got used to not being able to ride. And then I was in a very bad accident and broke my back. So I got to ride a little bit after that until I broke my back again. So then it was no more riding horses, so now I ride an iron horse, which is a motorbike. But I still love the cowboy traditions, I love the cowboy songs, and I love the cowboy dress. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go and watch the other ladies' videos. I can't wait to watch everybody's videos. There will be a playlist listed below. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day. God be with you. And be blessed all day long. Ciao for now.